My name is Cassandra Lomax Rodriguez. Everyone usually calls me Cass. Um, I wear many hats. Good. I wear many hats. I am a director. I'm an events planner. I'm also a host. Also known as sila nag-ingon, Miss Rachel of Cebu. But I'm really also just a mom, kanang intentional parent, a homeschooling mom sad. So kanang murag diha gyud ang ako ang business and ang among passion, the Miss Rachel hosting, diha gyud nag-revolve around because of how I want my family and my kid to grow up. So that's why karon, by the grace of God, we have Lomax Events. And Lomax Events is an event management or planning service company where we direct, not just plan or coordinate, we really direct experiences. So we're not selling looks, we're not selling aesthetic details, but what we want to tell everyone is we are letting our guests and our clients have the experience. So that's why mingon jud mi na we are very intentional with how we want our clients to feel on their own events. So mana si Lomax Events, consider it done. Mana mong tagline.
Nice. Consider it done.
So whatever your request, mingon baron sila nga, gusto ko mag-concert sa akong wedding, consider it done. Gusto ko Miss Rachel sa akong birthday sa akong anak, consider it done. So unsay murag, whatever your request is, whatever is in your imagination, it's up to us to execute your vision.
Now you got me. Now you got me curious. We get it done? Or
consider it done.
Consider it done. So, dito nakuha ng consider it done. Kano mo okay ba? Kano mo ko na tagline di ay. So, if ever mo na ako'y imagination, ani lang, let's on tika. So far, were there ideas or concepts na hatag sa or gusto sa imong client na you decline or nah, we will not do that kind of thing?
So far, wala pa.
So you can do anything so far?
Kay ako, I have that character or personality na the more I'm challenged, the more I do it. So, mingon sila, ay, lisod man ni Miss. For example, because, you know, as a planner or as a director, you work with lots of suppliers, lots of stylists, lots of other co-suppliers. Minsan, lisod man ni, kabot ani, let's do it. Ana, murag, I usually give them the way. Kumbaga, we'll find ways para mabuhat ang imong gusto. Whatever you're imagining, we'll do it, we'll execute it, we'll deliver it. Also based sa imong budget, within your budget.
Di ko mundang ni akong pangutan. Ginana na adyo ko makuha na something. Okay, from your perspective now, being a mom, being a wife, and you have principles man in life, di ba? Is there something na makaingong ka nga request sa client nga mobalibad ka?
Siguro something that goes against our values, our principles, yes. And because we always say manggod our mission sa Lomax Events is really to honor and glorify God through the events. So in every birthday, in every wedding, in every kind of gathering, somehow we always make that event an instrument para somehow they also get to encounter God. Yes. But of course, not lang ka lang like in a pushy style, but we want them to see the blessing, the victory, the struggles, the breakthrough dayon sa stories of our clients. So for example, there's this birthday na for other people, for other audiences, mingon lang sila, it's just a kiddie party. But for us, it's not just a kiddie party. It's like a celebration of the gift of life, of that blessing, of that victory. So, may nga naman, hala, nihilak. Ayaw, hilak. May nga sila. But no, kung may nga ko, mom, dad, it's really okay to feel big emotions. It's really okay to cry. Because today, it's not just your wedding. It's not just your child's birthday. It's also a celebration of the blessing that you had from God. Mora siya ginana. So, if there was one, mo na amo ang kumbaga mission when it comes to events. So when there was a client who asked me, can you do something like this that should be discreet? Di lang ako isulti.
Okay.
But something discreet, pero if you know the TF, it's 300,000 just for one night. All expense paid, airfare, hotel accommodation, but akong friends, nga nang man mo gikuha. But if it was me 10 years ago, probably ako tong gikuha. But because I encountered God, para nako bahalag tamting kayo ang one night in ato kanako nga TF, but ni say no gyud ko, I decline. Kay it's against my beliefs. Di ako katog ighuman. So kana whatever whatever opportunity we have, we should always align it sa atong mission vision. That's how we don't get lost sa ato ang business. There's a lot of business that goes up and then suddenly nikalit lag fail because they forget why they did the business itself.
Sa imong description and imong pag-share about the business, maingon ako nga kadaghan ng mga events planner karon, daghan sa mga horror stories behind, di ba? Daghan sa nahitabo sa mga mismo mga events planners. So murag naa may differentiation ang imuha, ang inyuhang Lomax events. Dili lang siya murag, I don't know, I wanted to hear from you gyud kung unsa ang kalahian sa ilang ma-experience if ever na ay mo reach out nimo mingon nga tingay scammer ni siya ana na may uban mingon nga kanang di oy kay murag nindot man ang pagkakuan yang pag-set up sa business na sa Facebook page na sa ana na sa mga testimonials. The others who are now and being considered scammers sa uban sa industry also had that.
Diba? That's true.
So unsa may mong murag siguro guarantee or parang mapakita nimo ba nga kanang dili mi pareha to nila.
That's true. Daghan gid kayo negative mga comments, messages, or kanang mga posts in the wedding industry or in the events industry generally sa Cebu, no? That's why we don't really, although we have lots of videos of reels sa Facebook, we don't really market biya sa social media. Na-surprise ko, ana, kay sa mga clients ko, miss, asa sa mukha kita na mo, mga nana, because naka-attend me katong kaninga wedding, kaninga birthday. Sa ibang
events ninyo nga kamo ang nag-organize?
Yes, so surprisingly, it's really not on TikTok or the posts. Na-realize na ko that Cebuano clients, mostly parents, families, generally, Cebuanos are now more intelligent. They're more aware. They do more research, and they know what they want to have in their events. So karon, more people are opting to choose their own suppliers. So karon, with us, we don't do packages. So I always tell the client, what's your priority in your own event? So what do you want to have in your event? So they will tell me the vision, their inspiration. So for example, I really like kasagaran bitaw sad sa among weddings, no, kay mga thematic. So murag mo gina mo ang kung nasa koy laing kauban sa nga supplier man siya nga nang weird imong event. But I take it it as a compliment ba, kay it's always something difficult. Kung baga, we don't just hire the suppliers that they need. We really direct it. So mo na nga sila na mismo, the clients, because they're more intelligent now, they're more aware, they already know that they can trust us sa pagpadagan sa program, sa pagpadagan sa concert, and not only that, we really listen to what they want. So there was also one wedding na kanang ni-chat lang ko random sa ako ang client na, uy, kanang don't forget to bring 2 food bowls for your dogs ha. Anak ko. So, naka-remember jud ka. So, things like that.
Yeah.
We are very intentional. Although, the 2 dog bowls are not part of the wedding decorations, and we are intentional for the client, for the bride, for the groom, for the client in general, because importante kay niyang dogs. Murag para niya babies gina niya. Anya mo paso ang dogs. So kumbaga ring bearer sila. And then in that place murag init kaayo, and you know how weddings are. Makalimot na sila kaon, fast paced kaayo. So nakalimot yun siya sa food bowl. So because of my message mo to na touch siya nga hala dili ra di ay gyud ta about aesthetics. It's not about just making the event look good in photos. We want the client to feel that it's their day. It's really a celebration. We always make sure na the whole or the real purpose of the celebration. Anong nag-wedding man ta, anong nag-party man ta, we should not go be outside of that meaning, bitaw, of that purpose. Muna mo ang gusto always na isulti sa atong clients and our guests. Now we are intentional with the purpose. Sila kasi makakitaan na. So muna word of mouth ra gyud tanan.
So ang upan kani kay mag-focus magid sila sa social media, di ba? So, sometimes they even swear by it nga dili ka mo grow as a business if dili ka active sa Facebook, pero sa una wa may Facebook.
That's true.
Diba? It can still have. Oh, makatabang siya. Kunya, ang na-observe sa nako, based sa imong na-share pa lang so far, the way you're managing the business, you're managing this with your husband, diba?
Yes, sir.
Okay. There's business intelligence, or you're being smart about running the business. And what you're doing is imo i-customize, diba?
Yes.
So, I would like to think, ang tanang perception sa mga tao, customize gani ang butang. Pricey. Oh. So, can you say based sa katong uban nga how they're doing kanang sa events planning, mas pricey ang inyo ha?
Barato na noon may.
Mga naman.
Because if you do the packages, you won't really know how much you're paying for your planner. You won't know the breakdown. But here with us, you would know. So because we'll be transparent man when it comes to the pricing, the costing. You would know how much you paid for your photographer. You would know how much you paid for the stylist. And everything is transparent to you. Laid out na sa imo ha. Kumbaga, na dyan kay resibo sa where your money goes.
So pwede sila mo ingon nga, di lang ko, pitag 20 ka tubig ang appeal ani. One lang G's, pwede sila makahinga na. So, okay ra sa inyo as a business owner nga when it comes to profit and kanang sa mahabilin sa inyo nga ginansya, dili ra mo alkansiya nang.
Our profit comes from our flat fee of the management. So
for the rest of the suppliers, na kay kung usaray mo isod, dili siya ingon nga package na ni siya, ma'am. So mas makaingon nga mas barato na noon.
Yes. Kaya ang what the client is paying for our services raman. So you can choose kani siya nga stylist, kani siya na host. And then ako ang kumbaga secretary. You are actually the planner. I will just execute your plans. Kumbaga ana siya.
Dili insist sa imo ha. So kung kay mo ingog ka nga mao ni imong team, unya mao ni imong package, ihaom raman ko dito kung unsa imong team no nya, unsa imong budget based sa perception or capriccio sa event planner. Kung dili siya nga naka-creative, then it will turn out nga imong event dili as.
That's true. Mo nang daghan kay ma-disappoint karon kay bayad ko 1 million o niya. Inani ra lagi akong decor. Inana. Because not everything was explained man. So, with us, every detail, nasadya ni ko yung stylist ninyo na, kanindot ninyo, ay mura man tikag secretary na noon. Ako ko no, secretary sa stylist. Because I lay out all the details man for the client and for the co-suppliers na to nga mas aligned na together. The communication is better because all the details have been laid out. Walay any detail na ma-miss out. So, I'll be kumbaga, the bridge.
May imagine ako ba, murag daghan man siguro kayo ni siya tao nga kay pag-manage. You mentioned a while ago, before ta nagsugod, nga kamong duha sa imong husband. And each of you play your own roles,
Yes.
diba? Which is complementary pa. Aside sa ninyong duha, kinsa pa inyong mga staff or nag-keep ba ka o nag-maintain ba ka og staff nimo mismo?
Surprisingly, wala.
Mauna akong
as I mentioned, I'm wearing a lot of hats yun, even sa balay. So, kami ra gyud sa akong husband. So, I also would like to honor my husband. Kasi agad tanan, if it looks like nga I was able to manage it on my own as a woman, as a mother, dili sad gyud. It's because of the help of my husband. Mo nang na ako diri karon. I am able to be the face of Lomax events, do the Miss Rachel hosting because my husband also believed in me. Kay mo lagi to, as I mentioned earlier, na para na ako dili man ko Miss Rachel of Cebu, uy mao man ta na tawagon ana, but because akong husband ningon kaya lagi, you can do it, pura man sad gyud kag sa Miss Rachel. And because I have a daughter, 5-year-old, na pag sugod niya tanog Miss Rachel, na memorize na noon ako ang the tone of Miss Rachel tungod ana, then I was able to really kanang execute these things.
So siya day ang nag-push nimo nga buhatan ni. Abi na ko iya ka ikaw mo babae mo kuan niya ako na mauwa naman ko ni kayo na day.
Mauwa gid ko.
Bali na inyo ha.
To be honest, as a person, introvert gid ko. Shy gid ko as a person. Baga lang kog naong when it comes to performing, pero kung ako gid mismo as a personality, mauwawon gid ko. So murag mauwa jud ko tawgon og Miss Rachel of Cebu, for example, but because of the people's belief in me, sila ra pud gyud ang nagbutang nako diha. Sila ra pud nagtawag nako ana din ha. And mo na nga, because of that, it also helped me na reach more people. Once na event, they were able to see us behind the scenes. Mga co-suppliers, they also get us. So, motong corporate events po. So, our clients, diha kay naka-experience lang yun. It's really not about ako DC. Wala dyan ko nag-hard sell. They just approached us because they were able to see na execute yun properly ang events.
Baka ingon ba ka, ma'am, Cassandra, na your background sa una, kaya mention mo ka na ko sa ganiha, abot lang na-mention ba mo karon, imong background sa theater, nakatapang ba na nimo to have a better business nga sa events? And ingon ka, introvert ka. Yun sa man ni mo pagkuhan nga kung naa ka mag-perform ka, dili ka introvert. So say mindset ni mo nga mag-shift kay mo personality how does it happen?
Na dual personality.
Mao gani. Ano ba?
Actually, kung mag-event, nabuhat na ako.
Ano ba?
Pero tinuod, the theater background really helped me. Kay kuan gyud, we have a lot of workshops. It pushed me. Naman ko sa San Carlos Theater Guild, and because of that,
until now?
Pag-college.
Pag-college.
So, usa sa reason na nakagraduate sa nakagraduate ta college pharmacy day akong course. Layo kaayo. Oo.
Pero ano mo practice mo sa pharmacy nga?
Nahulog lang consultant basis sa another independent pharmacy po. So, masad akong side hustles and
mo ba? So, dili na usa ka buok ang imuhang source of income. Kumbaga,
yes.
Okay, sa mindset mo, balik jud ko. For those nga makaingon sila introvert kay some people man good would consider it like an excuse
Oo.
to not succeed,
Tinuod.
di ba?
Mhm.
And then you mentioned you're passionate about this, pero how can you reconcile the idea you're passionate about kaning teatro and then the events, pero mag-iwawon ka, introvert ka? How do you reconcile this for us? Nga, paingon nga, kung mag-iwawon ka mo, may ana, magtalim na ako mabuhat. Tingay na kay trick ba or routine nga before going through that, then switch off na ko. Switch on.
What I usually do, especially when on stage ko, when I'm the host for that event, we're not just directing, we're not planning or coordinating, I also do hosting. So when I'm on stage, I usually take mga 15 to 30 minutes nga green room. So kumbaga, green room, more na siya term sa theater na before ka mo salang sa imong character, i-empty sa nimo imong self. So I will forget that I'm Cassandra, I'll forget that I'm me. I will channel the
Kung unsa to imong role nga i-take on
I
sa
will
stage.
channel the extrovert of me or Miss Rachel and Anna. And I try to kind of, for example, on stage, if you're hosting, dapat you lift up the energy of the crowd. So what if on that day I'm not feeling well, or what if on that day
Exactly.
gisapot ko or something like that.
Mati imong
So
mood ba?
that's true, and that's not kanang impossible usually in events na fast-paced. Sa puton gyud ta because of the pressure. So I take mga 15 to 30 minutes nga quiet. Mutanaw ako sa mirror or I'll talk to myself na I can do this. Na OA for some, but that's what helped me na kumbaga pep talk to myself. Because sometimes dili sa jud in anak ko ka confident. People would think, confident pa kaya siya, kaya mo na niya, pero really deep inside we also have our own personal struggles. So muna I do pep talks to myself. I imagine what I want to become on that day. So mo lang na akong routine before the event, but generally, basically, I also do visioning. So murag, kumbaga, what do I want to be in the long run, long term? So I really believe na if you only vision it, if you only visualize it, and then you also pray. So when it comes to praying to God, specific sa daw ka, dili lang ingon na, Lord, pero successful ko. Dili din, ana. Lord,
Like how specific? Very detailed?
every detail. So, Lord, I really want a pink car. Naitabo. I draw it, I picture it, I paint it, I printed it out. Murag kumbaga yun, ana. So, next, Lord, I want a house like this. Kumbaga yun, ana. So, not only with the physical things that I want to achieve, I also want the growth sa akong self. So, Lord, I want to be a successful woman who would be intentional when it comes to families, to kids. Kay mas in love sa tanang events, mas in love gid ko sa families nga side. We want to kind of bitong advocate for kanang core memories. We want to advocate for intentional parenting. Kay sa tanan na birthdays or sa tanan nga kanang gatherings ako makita, when I see kids, I would know who has been parented well or not parented well. So because it's just a kiddie party for some, pero for us, it's an opportunity to advocate or to encourage, to inspire, to parent intentionally. Kaya diha man gud magsugod ang foundation sa kids on what character they wanna be.
Labi
On what- labi na karon.
Recent
Labi na karon.
Okay, dili mo gawas ng sa kwarto kay mo tempting kayo nga moingon ta nga bitaw no makaingon ka ba nga mga parents, part yun na sa responsibilities of parents how modako ang
That's true.
mga bata kung sa ilang demeanor even outside the family, especially outside
Yes.
the home. Kuan ba nahitabo karon so i-blame na to atong parents ilang mga parents di siguro blame, but at least look at it bang
Yes.
there's something missing or there's something wrong about how they were brought up. No, ma'am, siguro mga naka 100 times wala ko ma-ihap yun ha. Pino ko 100 times ka nag-mention ng intentional.
Yes.
Being intentional
Mo ba?
about things. Yes. So, since ganiha pa. Ways ko, di ina ni mo nakatunan or what got you to have that kind of mindset na dapat intentional na abay libro kang gikuan, aba kay mga realization few years back anong ganahan kag intentional yun.
Bitaw.
Sige biya kag intentional which is dili tanang tao nga na biya. Some would just go with the flow. Good. Some would just trust the process.
That's true.
Yours is intentional. That's different. Na lahi sa lang resulta na, di ba? So ano man ma'am?
For me, because if you're intentional, you know where you're going. It's not just about the direction, asa ka padung. You would, because you have set your mind to it, all your unconscious little steps will automatically go to that direction. So, more siya ginana because you have set your mind na I want to be intentional to, let's just say for example, fitness. So, because I want to be fit, then probably 5 minutes a day, hantod mo increase siya. Then I'll do biking, running, because I want to be for the bigger perspective. I want to also be fit para makaduwa pa ko sa akong anak.
Years from now, no?
Yeah, or even now.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, 5 years old. And not only that, I get to play with the kids sa birthdays.
Kinahanglan po.
So,
sa putol ka ano,
it's not just kanang the surface level bitaw. Naagid siya'y padulngan. If dili lang it's because of I want to look good physically wise, it's because I want to be able to endure the physical stress and the kanang pagkapaspas, fast-paced pressures, events mo na siya. And also when it comes to being intentional, especially as you mentioned bitaw na parenting, especially karon nga daghan kayog social media exposure, we want to plant seeds sa heart sa atong children. So because of that, more parents trust us sa Miss Rachel of Cebu.
Ito. Usa sa inyong differentiation siguro sa
dili lang siya yung okay, let's just hire a host para na mo facilitate sa event, na ay mo games sa mga bata, na mo mulingaw sa bata. That's how kids trust me. Gahapon actually, na ay bata nagsigig kuha na ko. So, nara ko sa Dublin ay bata magsighatag na ko paper cups.
During the event? Okay.
So, paper cup, paper plate, mga unsa pa to, mga straw. So kumbaga kung 2-year-old ka, murag nanghatag siya og mga butang nako because she wants to give me a gift.
Yes.
So kumbaga the kid 2 years old trusts me. Unya karon kay she's dragging me to the whole ballroom. So iyong gidala-dala mana murag nya nasa toy osana the 1-year-old does not let anyone carry her. Ingon ang lola, nagpakugos lagi na nimo. So nagpakugos na ako. Nasay usa nga bata nga nagpahele, hantod nakatog. So the kids manggod, as innocent and pure they are, they know who to trust.
They can sense.
Because kids cannot speak. They communicate through your energy, your connection. That's why if you're intentional, if your purpose and intention is pure and to connect, they would understand that. Hinana. So, kumbaga,
have you always been like that? Na kanang ulunon ka sa mga bata?
Dili biya? Oo.
Kamusta rin na ito po? I mean, for sure, ganahan jud ta once mga naka, di ba? Mga baby. Pero sa imong na-observe, kanus anang sugod nga na-realize mo, mga bata na po. Dulunon ka.
Siguro na-adapt sa nako ang style ni Miss Rachel. Wala nga kuan
So pag events na nimo.
pag events na jud, oo. Kung baga na inspired gud ko ni Miss Rachel how she amplifies her advocacy bitaw. It's not just about early child development but also iyang heart gyud. Mo na nga we always kumbaga to all the parents we parent the heart, not cut the behavior, not manage the attitude, but parent and disciple the heart.
Ito to, parent the heart. Uy, paminaw ka. Parent the heart.
Yeah.
Discipline.
So good ka sa heart.
Discipline the
Oo.
Dili sa utok.
Dili, oo.
sa bunal.
Kay,
Pet lover ba ka?
na ako'y pet.
Naka-iro.
Oo.
Ang sama, iro ra.
Oo.
Dili iring.
Dili.
Pero, suod ka sa imong pets.
Before, karon kay murag
What do you mean before? Nasa na
nara akong pet raman, but kanang muna sa kabisi sometimes. Oo, akong husband na ang ang ga-take care. Nangamo na sa akong husband.
Maka-sense ko no ang mga pets if big heart ka, diba? Or ayun, big heart ka na large. Kanang kind ka ba? Kind soul ka ba? I think kung nakaingan na, mo nang siguro dali maka-relate or makaduol yung mga bata, mga kids. Yeah, dali sa mga kumpiyansa. And then the parents would like the idea na suod ng mga bata nimo, malinaw sa nimo.
Makita gyud nila. That's why going back to your question, going back to what you said na the clients, because they are more intelligent now, they get their organizers, they get their planners because they trust them. It's not about the output, it's because they can trust you na with all the money they're investing, they're able to just sit and go to their event like they're a guest. Sud lang sila and then everything's taken care of. Kaya kami man ang mo take ownership. Kumbaga, I will be the client on that day. I will be critical. I'll be meticulous because I'm advocating for the client. Somewhere ginana. So I'll be speaking in behalf of the client. If tanaw na ko, si client, ikaw yun, ani, we'll do everything again. Uy, si client, naingon man tong pink ang tablecloth, nganong blue man ni. So details like that we remember because we're advocating for the client. So they're able to trust us.
Okay. Now, it's good nga sa imuhang heart and then how you do business is inga nakaka-transparent, inga you go, di naman matawag ng extra mile ang imuha because what you have in your business and imong mindset is i-customize magin mo for the client. Well, good kung ingana ma-feel ni client no nga saling sila mo, pero based on experiences sa siguro, di man ko mag-isgot po asa sa mga clients po na asi ubang clients who might want to tawag na abusar ba, to abuse. So were there situations nga mura gani daghan na kay sila request mura wa na man ni appeal sa atong gisabutan initially? How do you handle that?
Daghan gyud ginana.
Daghan no.
Super. But we are murag na-amaze sad ko nga how blessed I am because somehow most of our clients are God-given. Murag imo sa siyang i-pray na Lord, just give me God-given clients nga who also respects us and our craft. So far wala pa man gyud nga abusar gyud because mo lagi pinangayo ni siya nga client so mga buutan by the grace of God. Pero naagid sila daghang request but mo na nga thankful pag ko because di man ko kumbaga maikog to set boundaries. Kumbaga healthy boundaries. Pagka-start pa lang daan, i-lay down na jud ko on sa ato ang role. We can do that. If this is your request, then we can do that. But this is the pros, this is the cons. So, kumbaga, we educate also our clients. We give them the pros and cons. And then we give you the choice. Unsa jud imong decision after I have told you the pros and cons based on our experience and ana. So if you decide that thing and then this is still the outcome, mo na to na I did my part in telling you in educating you ana. So what I can do best is this in ana. So we do healthy boundaries good. Basically, it goes back to effective communication. Inana lang yun. Dili ko mingon na yes lang because client man na. Inana. Sige, ato nang buhaton. Sige, push ta na. Inana. I don't make false promises. So, educate them, and then when they understand, then they are able to choose better.
Sometimes, being intentional, minimalism, sa paradihan, people would find you boring. Di ba? So, naay mga friends ni mo. Ako mga friends, mingon nga, ay, basta kuyog ni siya, no? Naag ni, purpose tanan. Naag na, intention ba? Na intention nga na. Pag-inom siya, kuan lang taha ito talapita. Nga nung dito matapita. Okay, dool ra sa ato mga biyan, dool sa, ano ba? Some people would find it boring. Mura dili ka spontaneous.
Oh, that's true.
So, dili ka spontaneous.
Spontaneous man sad. Like, we go with the flow, pero siguro when it comes to kana values, doing things to glorify God, magud. We don't just, okay, when you say spontaneous and because you want to makisama lang sa imong friends, and it might not give you peace after. So, kana, murag, go back gihapon siya to why doing it. And so, I don't mind if they call me boring because I'm not pleasing people. Especially in the events na people are pleasing people. We all, and then ako on stage. So, usas na din na sa kuman siya nga, okay, para di ko kulbaan, dili ko mo please og tao. My only audience is God. And because of that, nawa akong kulba.
Okay, ang partner ni mo, mas higher man kaysa sa mga.
That's true. So my only audience is God. My plan today is to only please God. Labi na kung daghan kay audience, 300 people, 500 people, kulbaan sa tao, bisag permit on stage or theater atong discipline, makulbaan gid ta because hala, unsa pala isulti sa mga tao, unsa pala yung mga negative comments diha. So, especially in weddings, there are a lot of side comments. So, I always go back na, okay, I'm not pleasing people. Let them talk. Let them think about what they want to think. Basta today is all about our bride and groom. Today is all about the baby. Today is all about our client.
Celebration.
Yes. And still, ma-client or not, we're not pleasing any person, we're pleasing God. So, because mo na amo ang kumbaga mindset, then everything else will follow. And siya, dili siya, kay mo man ang ma-pressure good ang mga tao, mo man ang ma-trigger ang mga tao, because they just want to please people, and you can never please people.
Okay. Marita sa diskusyon, mabi, kay murag makilak ko niya kuan na imo mga sharing kay about God and kuan, which is I'm all for it man. Okay, yung mga sitwasyon nga di gyud mo pareha og ideas, di ba? Has that stopped you from doing a good job sa inyong events nga nabay higayon nga what if lalo mo kilandisan pag sa balay before that na yung mga sitwasyon ni nga
Naagyod, of course. As husband and wife, disagreements are normal. And we welcome arguments, disagreements. Kay before, akong husband, mag-think siya na, okay, kung mas ang healthy marriage is walay disagreements para niya.
Okay.
Before. Karon, na-realize niya, no, disagreements are important because then you are able to express what you want to express. Mas makasabot imong partner unsay imuhang i-envision because men are not mind readers. Ang women mag-think, dapat tibaw na siya. Dapat si husband kasabot na ako. But no, men are not mind readers. Women, we have to lay out everything. So, kumbaga, spelling ka na siya. And it saves time. Because, dili naman ka mo guess, di naman ka mo hula.
Oo, dito na may trabaho.
Diba?
Dito na may execute kung sa'yo mo gusto.
So because the communication there is better because of the disagreements, then we would understand better. So karon it made our lives easier. Kay kibaw naman si husband, mo inani yang gusto. Inani ang gusto sa akong husband. So the disagreements were an important part para mas magkasinapot me.
Pila na ni ka buwan or tuig na ganin si Lomax Events?
Nahulog na 5 years from
5 years na.
From the moment we started our first event.
5 years na din. Sige, balik ko na to. Kung before mo nag-decide nga ato ni mo ang Lomax Event, di ba? Nag-work ka before, no? Sa under someone else's company. Before you started, and then now, naabot ka karon na stage or na status, were there like kanang things na yun makaingon ka nga if given the chance mao ni akong buhaton differently or itugang or what na ko buhata?
Before nag-start si Lomax Events, nag-work ko ato sa pharmacy. Kay pharmacist man ko by profession. And then after that, being the leadership role in a pharmacy branch, nahimo kong training officer. So the whole day, I was speaking. So 8 to 5, nag-story ako. And then after pagod sa 8 to 5, nag-kuan pagod ko theater. So, nag-Siddhartha musical ko ato. So, after my job 8 to 5, 6 to 10, magkanta, kanta, practice kanta. So, there was a time, after 4 to 6 months ko nagsigigin na nga routine, 2 months gyud ko nga, wala jud ko'y tingog. Hangin ta gyud ang akong magawas.
Nag-events pa ka to?
Wala pa ako nag-events. Before nag-events. And then, so, after ato, murag nasad ko, kay, of course, mo akong panginabuhi. 8 to 5, 6 to 10, ang ako rag yung baba ang akong ginagamit. So, nasad ko ato, ni-resign ko, na niundang yun ko, like, niundang lang ko. So, murag, usasag to siya sa struggle na I had back mentally, personally, na down good ko, kaya nawa man akong tingog. So, mga 3 months, 2 to 3 months, wala ko'y tingog. And then, naabot din ang pandemic. Yeah, kato nga time, tungod wala ko'y trabaho, wala ko'y income. So, wala may pangkaon, wala may pangbayad of rent, wala may pang expenses. So, kumbaga, I had to go through that bitaw na struggle para mas ma-appreciate na ko unsay naa karon. And because wala jud ko'y income, I had to really think magunsa ko in life. Kay I can't go back to the pharmacy kay murag I'm not that happy anymore there. Yeah, I think I can do more. Murag tungod atong struggle, I had to really think deep. What will I visualize ba sa ako ang self katong envisioning. So mo to nag-think ko. And then pandemic happened, buntis ko, after that pandemic baby. And then nakaingon ko how katong I mentioned to you earlier, how will I kanang live my life na it's not the career ang ako ang priority, but the family. So I was nag-think ko deep na what business can I have na would fit my family and lifestyle. Okay, I want to prioritize my child in order to parent intentionally, purposefully, and I want to prioritize our family na we have more time. So mag-think ko unsa nga negosyo na pwede na makuyog may permis sa akong bana o sa akong anak. So that's what we're able to make Lomax Events. Because
si baby day
every time tapad siya sa akong bana. So it's not just like ako ang negosyo, it's a family business for families.
Ay, nindot.
Nga makita gyud sa clients na gidala-dala gyud nila ilang anak. And then there was even one client who is now ako supplier, marag tungod kay nasuki na nako sila sa tanan nilang anak, ako yung nag-handle sa ilang birthdays. So karon among tawag mads na. Kay naninang nasad ko sa ilang anak. Tungod lang sa events So naman sila nga hala, na-inspire ko ninyo kay even though busy ang events, gidala gid ninyo inyong anak. Meaning,
Part yun siya.
yes, part gid siya sa lifestyle. Part gid siya sa inyong family. Not the career, not the family will adjust yung career, but the other way around.
Yan, nanukol na sa lisa yan. Bito kay, some people would do a different approach. Kaya ba naman ka-anak? Kaya ang imo, gilahi ni mo. And so far, 5 years and going stronger, you're able to prove and maintain ngayong anak nga sitwasyon nga ang dili ang family ang mo adjust, kunili ang imuhang career or imuhang business mo ay ma-adapt sa imuhang family.
Yes.
So, murag lahi nga approach sa uban ba nga ayaw kog sa muka, murag anang idea ba? Ayaw kog sa muka kay na ko'y trabaho.
That's true.
Ayaw kog sa muka kay na ako'y client. Balancing is mo na gito na work-life balance, di ba? Pero what you're doing, o rin akong point, drama pa siguro rin, akong point is, you're not doing work-life balance. You're living life.
Yes.
It just so happen nga you're able to come up with a business that can be integrated sa imuhang live nga life.
Perfect.
Di ba?
Yes.
Mao na kay sa mga freelancers gani o sa mga kuan work-life balance. I'm gonna book about it, di ba? Work-life balance. Ito. So imo mo kung gibutangan ng boundary. So, you're a living proof, your husband, and your kid, nga, it can happen. It's possible.
Yes.
Now, ang challenge na is, what if, bata pa man ka no?
Sige.
What if makatulo mo?
Tulo ka anak?
Tulo pa ka anak?
Gataw. That's a challenge, good. That's why mo na nagplan good. We need to discuss these things good sa kami sa akong husband na okay the timing and because if of course mabuntis ko I can't be a pregnant Miss Rachel of Cebu. Of course I can still do planning pero I can't be on stage anymore and so that's part of the honestly ba that's part of my personal kanang dilemmas how we also kanang time ang pag-grow sa family and but since nag-grow man sad me sa business while we grow our family, I'm sure na everything will be in place ra pod. Murag ako lang sad gyud gi trust ang timing ni Lord na if it comes then we will if the time comes that we'll have a second baby, a third baby, then I'm sure there will be more opportunities for us. Kaya ni-grow raman sad. Just like Miss Rachel of Cebu, it's not me who made it happen. The people made it happen. Sila may ni-request until nakitaan sa uban, until na word of mouth, until nakapost ko sa Facebook, until people already know me as that. So, the people around me made me who I am today sad. Sila ra gyud. And yeah, what's amazing about the being the katong family being together in work is that your child can see who you really are.
You.
Yes.
The parents.
They don't have to guess na sa kanya akong mama no, sa kanya akong papa no, sa kanya trabaho So because kailan na siya nimo as a person, then you're able to influence your child more or better. Dili na to sila ipa-influence sa social media or their idols or anyone else. The best influencer.
Ikaw ilang gi-look up.
Yes.
Dili sa laing tao. Okay. Yeah, some parents or some kids would say na sometimes they would hate their parents, diba? Because strict na kayo, because they don't understand the parents. It's not because nga utang ng ubang parents or sa they just need to understand kung gitsa sila. 5 years, duha pa mo kabuo, duha mo hantod karon. some businesses in 5 years time, nagpag-grow na sila o mga tao. Under 5 years, sa imo nakita, Ma'am Cassandra, duha lang yapon mo? Or naamoy plano nga different?
Naaraman pod mi team, but of course, kanang nahulog na freelancers
sila. Source sila,
so we will
every
just
project.
Get
so
them.
Same with yapon.
Yes, we have trusted people na gyud na atong tawagon every time na event. So they also know how we manage things, manage events, sabot na pod sila. Because we always go back with the mission, vision, and then we also look at our professional coordinators if they also align with our principles and values.
Ito ng business kay di ka kinahanglan og daghan kay overhead ba, no? Naikuan, pero dapat lagi you trust the people you tap.
Yes.
Kay imo sang pangan ang madaot. Same with what we are actually doing. So in 5 years time, another 5 years, same, nakita mo nga same lang gyapon ang arrangement. Unsa may lain nga ma-expect nila or naaba mo laing nakita nga growth for the business, like gusto ba ka magtudlo how to do events or something?
Funny that you ask. But okay, ako ang karon kay murag diba I mentioned about visualizing and then di man ko patulgon kung na ako'y vision.
Yes.
Nakasuway ka na nga.
Yes, kaayo.
Gusto ko maging-ani, Yeah, because I mentioned to you nga, I want to be, diba, I want to be a woman who is intentional, who inspires and encourages more families to be more, to parent the heart, kumbaga inana. Karon I'm really thinking of having a gathering for families na maybe kuan siya, probably a fair where parents can gather and check out our other kanang kid-friendly suppliers and do this might be too early pero we really want to do a talk for the intentional parenting. Yeah, pwede sa nato diha ibutang si Miss Rachel and then sell workbooks. So dili lang gid siya ingon na event because we can do the mission, we can do the advocacy through the event. So di lang siya party.
Para pareho tag mga
di lang siya party. Naa siya unod.
Kailangan mo lang unod, ma'am. Without it, you said na if it's too early, I think we're actually late in doing that. Kita na wa epekto sa mga tao, no?
Social media,
because walay guidance. So the sooner you can have that executed or implemented, feeling na ko mas daghan maka-benefit as long as you have the right manggod nga mindset towards sa imong gustong itudlo. So if you can have that, nindot jud kayo, and
ang profit comes after. Kumbaga for me, if dako kog profit ato, then bonus na. Kay if let's just say wala kay profit ani na negosyo, then maluya na ka. Di na ka ma-motivate. So mo stop na ka, maguna na sa kaglaing negosyo. So for me, the profit comes after.
Yes.
Go good sa purpose, go sa imong mission, go sa imong gusto what you want to achieve without the money nga side but ana. So
talking
pero dili man gud pasabot sad na wala kay anak dili ka appeal because we always say this good after every event na it takes a village to raise a child. And then sometimes a first-time parent, a first-time mom and dad feels they're alone in the struggles of parenting. But then after the event, we let them look around you. Okay, mag-run picture man me. So I say, Mom, Dad, I know you've been busy the whole day organizing this event, this party, but I want you to look around you. This is your village. And then some of them cry. Kaya ma-realize niya nga, I'm not alone man di ay. Naman di si tita, naman di si tito. So, parenting is not just for the parents. It also involves the people that the kid can see and interact.
Ganyan.
Para sa mong nephew, na idol ka. So whatever you're doing, the kid will copy you. So
Patay
it's
ka.
really important. Patay. So that's the pressure. That's the kuan. Mo gid na ang if the kid can see you, then you have the influence.
Nalutos Mr. lagi kay murag kuryoso ko ang ilahang inyong dynamics ba. Imong si husband ba is similar sa imong personality? Kuan pud ka nang
Dili, siya ang mas
Mas loose siya?
Yes, mas loose siya.
Ba?
Ako kay very meticulous man. Ako kay mas technical, mas critical. Siya ang mas kumbaga siya ang nag-bring sa team together. Okay, we have our coordinators. So siya ang encourage nila to make sure nga we're in the same side. Ako ang sa technical side. Ako ang client facing. Si husband ang more sa team. Internal siya, external ko.
considering sa entrepreneurship yan.
Akong bana gyud ang entrepreneur.
Siya ang kanang kuan ba. Most entrepreneurs manggut kay naaming anak anak kay ba na mga organize. Pero imong husband hindi to combination kay he can bring out the ano ko ba in English oy mamotivate ang mga tao ba nga under sa iya gani
That's
ma-inspire niya ako ba moingon man nga kung ano na ato na ibili nas kato mga motivational speakers pero entrepreneurs no they let me see the numbers, let me see ganyan na ba yeah considering mao na iyang background pero naa siya nga skill compliment ay kay mo ba
Super. Oo. Kung unsay weakness nako, strength niya. Kung unsay weakness niya, strength nako. So mo na nga kuan the business is not just about me, it's family business gyud.
sure ko mo appeal na siya atong parenting with the heart.
Oo.
Parenting the heart.
Yes, kay
No.
we have to encourage the men.
Okay.
We have to encourage the husbands because people think, parenting is only for the mommies. Parenting is only ang role sa pagpadako sa anak para ra sa mga inahan. O niya ang role sa pag-provide kaysa papa,
Just say
which is not.
Dapat
You have to encourage the husbands to be more present.
So mo nang wa ko'y doubt nga you and your husband. Siya pa nga sa husband? Ralph Recto. Si Ralph. Sure ko or medyo confident ko nga you can pull it off katong parent the heart kay you're able to integrate maganin the business and the family.
Yes.
So dili mo na mahitabo kung may participation niya or cooperation niya. So naami na dili. So sa sunod na to nga interview man na si Sir Ralph.
Yes.
Kay para na sa imo ang parent the heart.
Yes.
Unsa man
That's
libro?
true. Ha?
Libro?
Workbook.
O
And
kanda
then
workbook
workshop.
kan.
So the workshop with a workbook nga they can integrate every day. And of course kanang workshop pod nga mag-practice me how to speak to the child. So ngana na
Indot siya nga endeavor.
bitaw.
Buhatan na yun, no?
We will.
Di ko ka buhatan na yun. Support lang gid me.
Mo dagito di ko katog kay murag gi-burden sa ako ba nga you have to do it kay need na gyud siya. Di siya kay profit lang. It's a need in the society, in the community. Yeah, that's how we really do business. We listen, not just to the client, but the community. Unsay need, we listen, and not only we do family events, not just we do weddings or birthdays. Again, we also do corporate. Okay, that's how we listen to the brand. Then we are able, if mo to mong nakainom gid ka hala ka pink ni mo to.
On brand siya, on brand. Laog siya sa pink na car. Kasi pink ko amaon ni siya.
Pero wala na ko tuyo murag mo lang gid ako kay because mo'y na-attract ko, mo'y ako nakuha today. Ay, hala pink day ko no because
Istoryahe Cebu.